I'll see you, mate. Woo! How deep is this?
I don't know if I can go over there.
Where was it?
Way over there.
We can watch it. Oh, shit! Oh, what was that? Got the fuck out of me. What is that?
Yeah, this is the Texas swamps.
We cross over there, maybe?
I don't know. Are we gonna have to go all the way around?
Let's try that. It looks like there's a bridge, like a beaver dam right there.
That was hilarious, whatever that was. Ow! So we're at the same location that we showed you guys where the GoPro got knocked off the mount. So far we haven't found anything, so we're going through all the brush around like a 5-foot distance from it, and just kind of going and seeing where it might have landed. I don't know. I mean, you would think you would feel the frame as well, right?
Yeah.
So
don't
when,
know if
like,
the attachment's still on it.
Hmm?
Hopefully the attachment's still on it.
Yeah. Yeah, this would, where we're at right now would be like the front of the truck. I would probably go a little bit farther just because since we were moving so fast, maybe it might have traveled once it got hit off. Well, we've been searching for about half an hour, still no luck. Not exactly sure where the hell it went. We thought we had it. This is the exact place that it got broken off. You guys see that spider? That's huge.
We got the metal detector. We just went to the academy, dropped $100 on this metal detector. Hopefully this works. Zach's back, ready for action. Hopefully we can find this thing. This camera does really well at night, I have to say. It really does.
It does really good.
Think it's gonna work, Zach? If there's anything for the metal detector to even detect. You got the batteries, right? Right here.
They're right over here.
So I had a good feeling we were going to be doing this at nighttime too.
I really was not looking forward to this.
I was really hoping that we found it when...
We thought Zach, we thought we knew where it was, man.
We were so confident coming out here, and then we...
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I think what happened, John, you can go ahead and tell him, so you originally said it.
What?
About him running it back over.
Oh, yeah. So, there's a good chance it might have... the tires might have dug it deeper into the mud when you were coming back.
Oh, crap. But
yeah.
That's why we got a metal detector.
Do we need to read the instructions?
Probably.
Right, here you go.
I need chips.
Where?
Alright, so we're getting our first reading right here.
I'm getting 4 different types of metals.
Alright, see if it's still there.
Yeah, check. There's water all over the fucking scanner now, but... Here, at least the light. I don't know what that's going to do. Let me see if I can pinpoint it.
You're right there. Yep.
All I feel is rocks, dude.
It might just be a mineral.
It's giving me all sorts of warnings though. Let me turn the sensitivity down and see what it gets. I'm gonna put it on the minimum sensitivity level and see if it gets it.
It wouldn't just because it's that deep.
Alright guys, so we're at the what, 4th trip, Zach? Yep. It's the 4th time we've been out here. We got our metal detector. We've already been out here once, which would be the 3rd time, the 1st time with this metal detector. And we went back to the house, pulled the video from the drone, and we narrowed it within, I'd say, a 10-foot area where it has to be.
So about where that tree is right there, to where this little branch goes off.
So that's what we're doing right now. There's just so happens to be a ton of cans, so we're trying to move the cans out of the way because the detector's getting false positives.
All right, so we're gonna search around for a little bit, and we'll be right with you guys.
How's it going, mates? Jack Wallaby here. So as most of you all know, our GoPro went missing. We're out here in the Australian outback trying to find a wild GoPro. World's most dangerous animal.
Okay, I found this on the web for world's most dangerous animal.
Well, that didn't do Jack. Wallaby. The Death Stalker. So what we're gonna do is take this here blade, take this blade and just stick it in the dirt. Mate, I think we might have something. Might have to take a quick gander, but I think the whole trick might have worked. When it's spoken, mate, we're getting closer. I see it, mate. See it, mate. That's the big one up there. Look at that! Right in the box too. What a catch. The only thing I gotta say though, it's not the Hero 6. Alright, hope you guys liked that. We had a lot of fun filming it. I know that's like completely random for what we do in Novice Garage, but the idea came in my head and I was like, John, let's do it. Let's shoot like an Australian outback video, like a safari guide. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe if that's your thing. It's definitely our thing, so we really appreciate if you drop a subscribe. Is that thing? Drop a subscribe? Yeah. Went ahead and bought a new GoPro. We looked for a long time, as you guys saw during this vlog. We could not find the GoPro. I think we pretty much ruled out that the Jeep ran over it whenever Zach was coming back, and it's gone. So $270 later, we got a new one. Sucks, but running a YouTube channel is expensive. Let me just tell you guys, it's freaking expensive. See y'all next time, hopefully next week. Peace out, guys.